Now guys, I'm going to make banana for breakfast. 1 banana for breakfast with eggs. I have a lot of bananas. So, cut. Oh. Right. Just let the bananas, 2 eggs. Lalagyan ko siya ng 2 spoon na flour pancake. Para may ako guys, may 2 food groups like go, grow, and glow. Wala pala. Go and glow lang pala ito. Walang mayroon protein. Yung egg is ito. Blend ko siya guys kasi wala akong maliit na blender. So ito lang. Lagay ko siya dito guys para maano siya. Maging creamy siya ang kanyang. So ito na guys yung banana ko. Naubusan po ako ng tabliya guys. So bumili po ako dito sa kapitbahay. I'll mix sikwati and choco syrup for my pancake. Siguro sticky na. Put some butter. Make also naano na siya guys. Kumot ang tabliya. So, ano ko na guys? I have no small. Yes, yo, my banana pancake. Second batch of my pancake cake. The recipe here guys is 1 banana, 1 banana, 2 eggs, and 2 spoons of flour. So I made 7 pancakes. 1 spoon lang guys kasi ang dami kong no need of baking soda, just straight. I saw on YouTube you don't use any flour, just banana and egg, but here I add some flour because I feel like it, some energy during the day. Butter again for my last portion of banana pancake. Last. It's already sweet guys. You don't need to add sugar because the banana is already sweet. You cannot do like that. I'm going to eat na. Oh, because ano siya? Ay! Nasira. This is my choco syrup guys. And I'm going to put this on my pancake. So, binaano ko lang guys. Gibuling-bulingan rin ako ang foodies. So, my foodies is here. See you guys. Enjoy your meal. So this is my breakfast here guys. Chocolate syrup tabliya with my banana pancake. Enjoy your meal guys whenever you are. It's a Saturday morning. Let's eat. I'll taste it. First, I have a lot of banana, so I eat a lot of bananas. So yummy. Wow. You must try it, guys. If you don't have your own bananas, you can buy it in the market. And then cook it yourself. I'm sure kids will love it. Nothing can go wrong with bananas. So this will fuel my body for the whole day that I am busy here at home. Yum yum. Nagbigay na po ako sa kapitbahay, guys, ng isang sipi kasi hindi ko maubos eh. Yan, malaki man, bes. I'll cut it. Yum yum. And look at my chocolate syrup. Choco na choco. Hindi ako bilbil nito, guys, kasi it's still a whole day to go. May digest pa to sa aking katawan. No sugar needed, guys. If you cook like this, no need of put sugar. Kasi maano na siya, matamis na yung egg. Egg. Yung banana. Very thin lang tong pancake, guys. Very thin. Yesterday, I went to swim. So, madigest pa tong aking pancake. I let the neighborhood take my coconut shell. And sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking channel, sa mga bago dito, please do subscribe to my channel at maglablaban tayo. Enjoy lang natin itong pagba-vlog kahit walang viewers. Sa mga maraming viewers, good luck to you. Pinagpala po kayo at nagustuhan nila ang videos niyo. So again, thank you so much, guys, to all my viewers and to my subscribers and soon to be my subscribers and viewers. God bless everyone.